Middle of the paper now. What do I do to turn on my hyphenation? I press Ctrl A to mark my whole document, and then I go where? To page layout, and I say hyphenation, it must be automatic. Can you see? Now it's hyphenated. If they do ask for a soft hyphenation, that is similar, it's the same. My darling, just sit next to your friend that has a computer open already. Then they say the following sentence must be right aligned. One of the greatest R&B is Alicia Keys. Now, if you can't see that, go to your manuscript, signs on your paper. You will see it shows you there that needs to be a new paragraph and it needs to be right aligned. Okay, can you see? And then I just press right align so it jumps to the right side. Are you all with me? Okay, let's carry on with that instructions. Now, they say insert the correct bullets and make sure the bullet has 2 letter spacing, left indent of 1 centimeter and a 1.5 line between the bullets. Please listen carefully. I go to my manuscript template to see what are they talking about. Where is the bullet supposed to go into? Oh, you must help me now. Okay, it says here, by the rock, insert the most popular forms of rock. Can you see? The most popular forms of rock, so it's under rock, is, and then it must go, that's the first one. It's going to be punk rock. Then, so I'm going to make it, do you understand what I'm asking you? New paragraph each time, because you need to put bullets in. Okay? Can you see? Now they say what? It needs to have a bullet of an indent of what? Okay, now let's say they give you a funny symbol. Okay? Let's say they ask you, like on the paper, they ask for a little music sign. Then you will go to bullets. Exactly, you will highlight the part that needs to have bullets. Are you with me? Then you will say define new bullet, and then you will go to symbol. And then you will have to go and look for the one that they ask you for. Okay? Normally it would be in symbols. If you can't find that exact same thing, just click on a weird one so that I can see that at least then you won't lose both marks. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so let's choose a heart. That's where you find the funny one. Can you see what they did? But now they ask for an indentation. Where do I change the indentation? By paragraph, and at the left should be at 1 centimeter. Am I right? Okay, and then I also think they said the spacing needs to be 1.5. Okay, none special hanging. Okay, can you see it needs to look like that now? Let's go back. I know there's lots of the information or instructions that we have not done. I'm just going through the manuscript. Okay. Now, the next thing I also want you to understand. They say use the double line spacing for the paragraph. Jazz is the players. You will see it's that whole paragraph there. Okay, so they want it to be double line spacing. What do? I highlight, I go to paragraph, and I choose double. Are you with me? Okay. Then the next one is you need to highlight and underline the words Alicia Keys. You will see it is in your script. It's that 2 words that you need to underline. They ask for it to be underline and highlighted. Okay, now look carefully, look. There's the underline, so that's fairly easy. But if a word needs to be highlighted, that is the one you use. Okay, let's just use gray because it won't print in color. Are you with me? So it's that little AB with a little highlighter. That is how you highlight your words. Okay, let's go to the next one. It says, insert a border around although gospel music. Okay, so the whole border, if you go to your manuscript sign, it says it needs to be around that gospel, this one. So what do? Look carefully. I will right click on it, and or you can do it like this. There's more than one way of doing it. Or you can just go to your page layout and you will say page borders. Okay, but now it's not a page border. Can you see, students? It's a border only. Can you see it was on page border? You need to click borders and you need to make sure that it's around paragraph. Let's say they've asked for a triple line. Let's say, okay, it needs to look like that, but the line needs to be, the style of the line needs to be tripled. Then you will have to look for that one. Then that is how it should look. Are you with me? Okay, so it would be highlighting the paragraph and then going to your page layout in your ribbon. Okay, let's go on. We're almost done with Word. We're going to do the manuscript instructions shortly. Then they ask you to insert a board. Okay, we've done it. Insert the page break as indicated. Now, if you look at your page break, it's above rhythm and rhythm. It's here. So you're going to put that onto a new page. So I put my cursor in front of that and say insert page break. Can you see it puts that on a new page? When I switch on my paragraph marker, it will show me that as well. Are you all satisfied with that?